Moving on to other stories now, the Bank of Korea froze rates for 8 straight months. The decision comes amid mixed economic indicators and signs the U.S. Fed is on track to push up rates further. Shin Se-min looks beyond the numbers.
A steady, record-low benchmark rate for another month. Korea's central bank kept its base rate unchanged for an 8th straight month since June last year at 1.25%. BOK Governor Lee Ju-yeol said the rate freeze follows a moderate pickup in the economy, with the country's exports and facilities investment likely to post better performance on the back of steady global recovery. The decision is also a clear reflection of worries over growing household debt levels that reached over $1.17 trillion as of the end of last year, shooting up nearly 12% on year just in the last quarter.
Although the overall volume of household debt has expanded, the types of debts and the financial assets of households with debt payments are healthier than they had been. But at the same time, we are closely watching the pace of debt growth while monitoring the expansion seen from second-tier lenders.
The governor added that the bank's board members will carry out measures to ensure monetary policy decisions support economic growth and help realize the consumer price inflation target. Korea's consumer prices had logged the fastest pace of growth in January at 2%, while consumer sentiment remained at a near 8-year low. But Lee said no changes have been made to the bank's previous stance of accommodation, given that inflationary pressures on the demand side are still weak.
The monetary policy in the coming months will largely be determined by the course of the country's private consumption. It's safe to assume that the current policy rate is suitable enough to both prop up spending while buying time to help the government cope with the high household debt.
The expert adds that this is why the government continues to roll out a measure after measure to get more Koreans to open up their wallets. Shin Se-min, Arirang News.